What is up, YouTube? I'm back with another video, and this is going to be one highlighting the hero cards magazine and diecast that I got signed at Bristol ARCA Day. Some of these might be new hero cards that I got there in the pits. There was just a very few that I got signed that were new, that were out. I usually just save them for later, but I'm pretty sure this Taylor Gray was a new one. Tanner Gray, I mean. Called him Taylor Gray, but Tanner Gray. Got some Jake Garcias that I've had. There's another Jake Garcia. Got Spencer Boyd. I think this is a new hero card. Got Tyler Ankrum on that. And got a couple more Tylers. Got him on this one. I think this was later on. And then we got this one signed. This next guy was the first time getting him. Was ARCA, Andrew Patterson. Some people in the ARCA series, I guess because of smaller teams and stuff, you had to ask for hero cards. They didn't have any out. But I'll try to, when I get to those, I'll make a note of that. Here we got Andres Delara. That was a new one. Pretty sure that was a new one. First time getting this guy, Mason Maggio. Pretty colorful hero card there. First time getting this guy here, Dawson Sutton. First time getting this guy, which I got some hero cards, or regular racing cards done. Brent Cruz. Another first time. Connor Jones. So I'm getting to know some of these truck series guys a little bit better. Here's one from ARCA. Now they did have these out. Tyler Reef. Here's another Brent Cruz. I've had this one for quite a while. He put both of his door numbers on this one. That was cool. I got Ty Majeski after the race, which I had a bunch of hero cards for him. Got him on the play the game there. Glad to finally knock all these out. And thanks to Ty for taking the time to sign these when he was probably just wanting to get the heck out of Bristol. Ty Majeski finally completed this 3-way that I had previously gotten Austin Cindric and my man Chase Briscoe on. We got Ty Majeski. We got Soda Sense. Well, I don't think I have anything left for him. Roadrunner. I think maybe one hero card that I forgot. I somehow missed getting signed. Matt Crafton. Which my friend said he asked him if he was going to run any like one-off races or anything like that, and he's like, "Well, I'm not going to be driving this truck, but I will be driving again. So take that for what you want." So there is on that planners, and that is a very bright truck, easy to spot going around, very bright. Then we got this guy, which was the first time getting him, Corey Day. Up and comer. Another Corey Day. I've had this hero card for quite a while. Spencer Boyd. It's one of those oversized ones. Spencer Boyd. I might have already showed this one. No, this was from Darlington. It kind of looked like that. I don't have the same collars. Got another Spencer Boyd. Finally knocked those out that I had of him. Maybe this one was, okay, yeah, this is a different one. Spencer Boyd. Never got this guy either before. Cole Butcher. That one turned out really nice. Got another Dawson Sutton. 50th anniversary of Rackley Roofing. Andres Perez de Lara. Got him on that one. And then on this one, Ben Rhodes on this. To play the game, ever play. Now I need to get, if I was mistaken, I probably could have got Ty on this one. So I need Ty, Todd, and Austin. I have to lay that out so I don't put it in my books. Guys, when I get these signed, they go in a binder. Other than that, they go in a tote, and I have them separated by retirees, truck and Xfinity series, and cup. And I got a bunch by Ben Rhodes. I'll finish all those except for that one there. No, not that one. There was one more I missed, I think. Knocked out all the Ben Rhodes I had. Got Stephen Parsons, oversized card. Got Lane Riggs. Just got this one in the mail not too long ago. The Bare Knuckles Racing. Where did he sign on this one? Oh, it's kind of hard to see right there. It's a dark colored card. Then we got Connor Mosack. Where did he sign? Right here in the middle. That's another one, kind of hard to see. Then we got Corey Heim. Corey Heim. Knocked out a ton of stuff I had for him. Corey Heim. I did get him a Charlotte, but I didn't take any hero cards. Corey Heim. Corey Heim. First time getting this guy. Andy Jankowiak. I've had this card for quite a while. And so happy to get this next one, guys. We got a champion. ARCA East champion. And you had to ask for these. Isaac Kitzmiller, who is our local. He's from Maysville. Awesome to get that signed. Get one of those. I think too many people have that card. Then we got this one we had to ask for. Bobby Dale Earnhardt. There. In the 31 car. ARCA. And we had to ask for this one. Let's see here. Where's that? Lonnie Bousay. Bouse, however you pronounce that. We had to ask for hers as well. Got this one signed. Butterbean Queen. Finally got that card. I've been carrying that card for quite a while. So you can see there, it's like a 2023. Got another one of Dawson Sutton here. Got some Caden Honeycutts knocked out. I'm getting familiar with him. Caden Honeycutt. Caden Honeycutt. Whoops, as I knocked the camera about over. Matt Mills. Matt Mills. And that must have been that pin I had. Must have got him right before I got Takuma Koga and Connor Mosack, because that Sharpie's starting to dry up. Then I got Grant Enfinger. Awesome to see Grant. I had an extra one of these, the 23. And then finally was able to get these completed. Had gotten Cody Roball back at Charlotte and got Grant Enfinger on the red. And got Cody back in Charlotte and then got Grant on the green. Grant County Mulch. And if you don't know, Grant County Mulch is located about like less than 5 minutes from here, from where I live. So that is awesome. And then we got Gio Ruggiero there. I think this is the same card he had out at Charlotte, I believe. And then I got this Grant Enfinger sign, an old school Grant Enfinger. That might be from ARCA. 23. Yes, he's really young on the back of there. Check that out, guys. So yeah, that was from ARCA. And I think that's going to do it. No, wait a minute. I picked up the Sports Illustrated magazine that has Tony Bridinger in it, and was able to get it signed in the pits. She signed right there, which was awesome to finally get this. I had ended up ordering it from the website, which was only like $2 or $3. It wasn't very much shipping, and it was just like the cover price. Which I can't believe those magazines are that expensive, but it is what it is. That book was like $16. And then I got one more item, a die cast. This guy won back in Charlotte, and I was like, well, maybe I can find his die cast for a decent price, and I was able to on eBay. So I didn't have anybody else that was going to be there. A die cast of them, 124. Actually, he won back in 2023. What am I thinking? He didn't win back in 2025. But this was awesome, and this was an awesome looking truck. And I know he commented how nice this truck looked when I got this signed. They really did a good job with this. But let me see if I can get it in. I didn't put it back on the base yet, but I got it signed with the bronze, which I think looks good. Because I knew there was confetti on there, and sometimes if you don't use the right color, it kind of blends in. But I got, well, let me see if I can get to where it looks halfway decent. Ben Rhodes, there we go, on this one. So thanks to all the drivers that signed, and I thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next video.